Hello my dear kids, welcome back to your English class. Today we are going to continue with the activities of the chapter Safety First from your English core worksheet, page 203 till 206. So you have to be ready with the pages 203 till 206. Okay, so I hope my kids have read the chapter. Yes, very good. So regarding the chapter Safety First, we are going to do some of the activities. Okay, so shall we move on to the first activity, children? Okay, so first activity of page 203 is fill in the blanks. Okay, here you can see 4 questions and there are some options given there. Okay, so you have to pick out the correct answer and write them on the 4 line given. Okay, so we are going to read each sentence one by one. Please pick out the correct answer and write them on the 4 line, and see that you are using cursive letters while you are writing in your worksheet. See that you write neatly using your pencils. Okay, so shall we move on? Okay, so the first question is, walk only on the dash. We have 4 options: run, moving, footpath, electric switches. What will be the answer, children? Walk only on the dash. Yes, the answer is we have to walk only on the footpath, isn't it? So what you have to write here? You have to write here footpath. F-O-O-T-P-A-T-H. Footpath. Okay. Now shall we move on to the second question? Second question. Do not touch dash with wet hands. Do not touch dash with wet hands. What will happen if you touch with wet hands? You will get electric shock. So where you should not touch? Tell me the answer from the options given there. Yes, electric switches, isn't it? So you should not touch the electric switches with your wet hands. So we are going to write here electric switches, E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C, electric switches, S-W-I-T-C-H-E-S, electric switches. Okay, moving on to the third question. Never get in or get out of a dash vehicle. What was the answer? We should not walk around in a dash vehicle. Yes, the moving vehicle. If the vehicle is moving, we should not get up, walk around. We should not do all those things. You have to be seated very carefully. So the answer is moving. M-O-V-I-N-G. Moving. We should not get in or get out of a moving vehicle. Okay. Now the fourth question. Fourth question is, do not dash while crossing the road. What you should not do while you are crossing the road? You should not run. You should not run while you are crossing the road. Only walk through footpath. Okay. So the answer is R-U-N. Run. Okay. I hope it is clear for you. There are 4 questions. Read it by yourself. Pick out the answer from the options given in the bracket. Okay? Yes. So we are moving to the next activity on the same page 203. It is to pick out, or not to pick out, you have to write the correct preposition. Okay, preposition means showing the position of the noun. Okay, so we will see the first one. Walk only dash the footpath. Okay, where you should walk? You should walk only dash the footpath. What will be the preposition, the correct preposition to use there? On. Okay, on means on the footpath. Okay, so walk only on the footpath. That is the correct preposition. So you have to write here O-N. Walk only on the footpath. Next, the second question is, the school bell rings dash 8 a.m. The school bell rings dash 8 a.m. So see children, when the time is given in a sentence, always use the preposition at. Okay, so here the answer will be the school bell rings at 8 a.m. Okay, so we are going to write here at, at. Now the third one question is, never insert your fingers dash the plug point. Never insert your fingers. You should not never touch the electric points or switches with your wet hands. We learned that, right? So where you should not put your fingers? You should not put the fingers inside the plug point. So the preposition is in. Okay, so you should not insert your fingers in the plug point. You should not insert the fingers in the plug point. Okay, so these are the 3 questions to write with the preposition. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now we will move on to the next page, that is page 204. The first activity is say true or false. It is an activity for you to do yourself. There are 4 questions. Okay, read the sentence and write whether it is true or false. Okay, so read it by yourself and write down the correct answer. Okay, so that is an activity for you. Now we will move on to the answer the following question in the same page. We have 2 question answers. So the first question is, mention any 2 traffic rules to be followed. So you can write any 2 traffic rules to be followed on the road. First thing we can write, we have to walk only on the footpath, isn't it? Children should follow, walk only on the footpath, isn't it? So we can write as the first sentence. The second sentence, you have to follow the traffic signals. Remember the red, yellow and green color, the traffic signals. So you have to follow the traffic signals while you are on the road. So we are going to write those 2 sentences here. So write neatly with your pencil. See that you keep 1 finger space. Okay, now yes, walk, W-A-L-K, walk, only, O-N-L-Y, only, on, O-N, the, T-H-E, the, footpath, F-O-O-T-P-A-T-H, footpath. Okay. The second point is, always follow the traffic signals. Always follow, F-O-L-L-O, follow, L-L-O-W, the traffic, T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic signals, S-I-G-N-A-L-S, traffic signals. So these are the 2 traffic rules to be followed on the road. Okay, see that you write neatly, use 1 finger space and write. Okay, the second question is, write any 2 safety rules to be followed in the school. You can write any 2 rules. Okay, first one which we have learned is, do not climb on the benches and play. Okay, and the second important thing which all the teachers will tell you, isn't it? What is that? Do not fight with each other, isn't it? So we can write those 2 sentences, that do not climb on the benches and play, and never fight with your friends, never fight with others. So I am going to write those answers here. First one, do not, D-O-N-O-T, do not climb, C-L-I-M-B, climb, on the, O-N, the, T-H-E, the, benches, B-E-N-C-H-E-S, benches, and A-N-D, play, P-L-A-Y, full stop. Do not climb on the benches and play. The second point is, never, N-E-V-E-R, never, fight, F-I-G-H-T, fight, with, W-I-T-H, with others, O-T-H-E-R-S. Okay, so these are the 2 points. Do not climb on the benches and play, never fight with others. You can write any other sentences also, like you have to move in the corridors, like that you can write, or never bring any sharp objects to school. Okay, you can write any other 2 sentences if you want. Okay, so it's your the question answer is over. Now we'll move on to page 205. When we move on to page 205, you can see a picture for you to color. You can color it as you like, colorfully, very neatly, using your wax crayons or pencil crayons. Okay, now next page, the last page, you can see a small rhyme given there regarding the traffic light. Okay, so I'll sing that now. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light on the corner shining bright. Red means stop and green means go. Yellow means go very slow. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light on the corner shining bright. Okay, so this is the rhyme. You should not by heart it. It's just a rhyme for you to know. Okay, to learn the signal lights. Okay, so this is not to by heart. If you want, you can by heart. It is not compulsory that you need to by heart it. Okay, and again you have one more activity, that is dot to dot. Okay, there are another picture. You have to join the dots and complete the picture, and you can color that one too. Okay, so you have few activities, true or false, page 205 and 206, coloring activities there. So please see that you do it by yourself. Okay, and read the chapter, learn the question answers, and do the activities, complete them. And with this we have come to the end of the chapter, safety first. See that you are safe at home. We'll see with a new chapter, with a new topic next class. Till then, bye.